Okay, we have an online course, web template, and UI kit. Okay, so we have a style guide to the pop-ins. One of my least favorite fonts, but jump into it. So you get actually like a marketing-y website. I think I was expecting something totally different. Lots of contrast issues. Really weird how it is. Like spacing issues. This could be improved a lot. If you're just selling a simple course, this might be enough. But overall, uh, uh, again, this is like a marketing thing. You don't actually get the course details where you can watch and follow and stuff. You have learning progress, but again, lots of things that can be improved. And also like you don't have components and stuff. Pretty weak, I would say. Some potential, but needs more work.